In Newcastle, where the Tyne runs free, lies a city of spirit and vitality. In the northeast, where the winds blow bold, lies a place where stories are proudly told. Silver Surfer City, with wisdom in its eyes, where age is just a number and spirits rise. The beating heart of longevity land, where lives are lived with a generous hand. In Geordie land, where laughter sound echoes through the streets, joy can be found. Resilient souls with a fire in their gaze, embracing life through all its days. From the Quayside's beauty to Hadrian's wall, history whispers standing tall. In the rugged moors and the coastal tides, adventure awaits where the northeast abides. With a warmth that melts the coldest night, and a strength that never gives up the fight, Newcastle, a city of passion and pride, where the human spirit soars open wide. So here's to Newcastle and the northeast grace, a land where memories find their place. Silver Surfer City, where age is a crown and lives are lived to the fullest, never slowing down.